but it gives us a chance to have a little look. What a lovely boozer here on Lime Street, Liverpool.
I'm on a wild goose. Geoff's on a wild goose chase. Good morning and welcome to another vlog from the Green Team. Today we're off to Liverpool. What for, you say? I'm on a quest. I'm on a quest to find the cheapest pint in Liverpool and the cheapest pub in Liverpool. But I'm not on my own. I've got a great friend of mine with me. You'll all know him. It's the one and only
Fandabidoze, Geoff Carter here, and we are going to have one hell of a day today in Liverpool. It's all planned, we know where we're going, but we don't know how we're going to get home yet.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of love to breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song.
So we're enjoying a nice pint here in the Crown now, and I've got to say, Geoff's got a Carlin, it's £4, and I've got a Sharp Solar, which was £4.15, and very nice it is too. Walker's Warrington Ales, love it. It's the Vines, what a beautiful building this is. Geoff's dashed in out the rain. We're going to have a quick pint in here now. I believe there's cask ales and all sorts in here, so come on, let's take you in. Here he is, look. Snuck in corner. Here's me mucker. We got him in.
Oh, tell you what, it's hot today. I've took my coat off.
When?
I've just got you one there, mate. One of your favourite ales, that.
One me on?
What's it look like?
Plum porter.
You're not wrong.
I like it.
And I'm on a pint of Amstel.
Like it, very
I
nice.
like my lagers, mate. You like your real ales, don't you?
Fantastic.
But what an absolutely fantastic boozer. Al, just go in that back room now and film. Go and have a look at it in there, my friend.
I'm on my way. Can I ask you a question first?
Yes, you may.
Where do you get that top from?
Look at that, Geoff Carter, Liverpool Echo. It's when I used to work years and years ago on Radio City. We were sponsored by Liverpool Echo for the road shows, and I used to work around Liverpool for years. But it's been years since I've been in here, and oh, the memories. In the back room on a Sunday afternoon, they used to have a band on. And all the old people, listen to me old people, I'm old now, but when I come in I was young, you couldn't get in that back room there, when you have a look in a minute, and they were all sat round with the tin foil opening them and have little triangle sandwiches and biscuits and everything. What an atmosphere in there. But today it's quiet because it's only midweek, but it gives us a chance to have a little look. What a lovely boozer here on Lime Street, Liverpool.
we're here, we're outside the Philharmonic dining rooms on Hope Street in Liverpool. Geoff's inside getting a beer in. He's a good lad like that, Geoff. I'm going to take you in now. We'll find out how much the beer is, how much it's cost. But it looks wonderful. Wow, look at that. How good is that? Absolutely fantastic. Here we are in the Philharmonic. I'm on a wild goose. Geoff's on a wild goose chase. Anyhow, if you don't know Geoff, but I'm sure you all do, don't forget to subscribe to his channel. I'll leave a link down below, okay? He's YouTube's #1 as far as I'm concerned. Love the guy to bits. But anyhow, I'm going to take you around the Philharmonic now, and I'll show you all the lovely little attributes that it's got. It's a beautiful place. Here we go into the gentlemen's of the Philharmonic. There's no one in, I've checked. So here we go. Look at these. They actually let the ladies in here just to have a look at these ornate stones. I'll miss the first word out. Look at that. Not very often you'll find me filming toilets, and on this occasion I'll make an exception. There you go. Fantastic. So what was the price of the beer in the Philharmonic? The Wild Goose was £5.45 and Geoff's Carling was £5.25. So not cheap, but the surroundings are nice. So this is the end of this video here. We started out on a quest to find some cheap pints on the best pubs in Liverpool. We've done 3 for you today, and next time we're going to do 3 more for you when I've got Michelle with me on Not Geoff Carter.
Yeah, because I'll be off filming somewhere else.
Where are you going to be filming?
Don't know yet, I'm going mooching. But we've had a fabulous day today and we've seen some great pubs. Just recap out what they were.
The Crown,
The Crown,
the Vine,
the Vine,
and the Philharmonic.
oh, and they're all worth a good visit, aren't they?
They certainly are. They've got our recommendation.
Yeah.
So anyhow, don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because it's free.
Yeah.
And ding that notification bell because we like it when they do that, don't we,
We
Geoff?
love it when you do that. And don't forget in the comments below, because Alan's going to go somewhere else this time, leave in your comments which pubs you would like him to visit.
That's a great idea, that. I'd love you if you did that. Anyhow, guys, that's the end of this vlog. We'll see you on the next one.